Namaskar, hello everyone. I am Pooja back again for a live session. Quickly requesting all of you to join. आज without intimation आई हूँ. Today I have come without prior intimation. I'm really sorry. It was a sudden decision. We were supposed to go live on Facebook, but we thought let's do it on Instagram today. Hello Kavita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Hello Reenu ma'am, thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Aarti ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Quickly requesting all of you to join. In the meantime, let me pin my number 75959599055. Okay, that's the number you'll have to contact us on in case you want to book any sari. All the sarees that I show today are installment, payable on installment, payable in EMI. For pink lovers, it's a pink paradise today. I have a lot of pink and peach and all of those colors. All my pinks, it's like a pink themed, Barbie themed party for today. Hello Luna ma'am, thank you so much for watching. Hi mommy, thank you for joining. So it's a pink day. I have a few cotton silks also, lovely cotton silks there. I have pure cottons in case you want to see again. You've not seen and you want to see again. I have pure cottons also. Pure cotton by cotton. I have two new Mizoram Puan sarees. Shri ma'am, thank you so much for watching. So I have, hi Amita Masi, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining us on our live. Without any prior notice, आज live कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much for joining. And आज नागा पुआन मिजो पुआन के दो कलर्स आए हैं, सेम कलर्स, दो पीस आए हैं. हेलो शीरा मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग. दो कलर्स आए हैं विच इज स्लेट कलर के दो आए हैं. एक पाखी साड़ी आया है विथ bird motifs, hand woven bird motifs. Very interesting, very cute, very pretty sari. I have full set of cottons. I have pure silks. I have 4 to 5 Muga silks today. I have cotton by Nuni silk sarees. So you name it and you have it. That's in the menu today. I have pure cottons. I have Mizo Puans. I have Naga cottons today. Just give me one moment. So cotton, Naga cotton. I have, hi Pooja Di, thank you so much for joining. Hi Yogita ma'am, thank you for joining. Tanisha, hello, thank you so much my dear. I have pure cotton, all are hand woven. We do not sell, we do not make powerloom products at all. Renu ma'am, aap aa gayi. No, she does not have this blouse. I am the only lucky one who got these set of blouses. But I have shared her number with you already, much earlier. आप देखिए, देखा आपकी वो कबूल हो गई. अच्छा, शुभ अक्षय तृतीया टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सबको सक्सेस मिले एंड सबसे कीमती चीज जो है हेल्थ सबकी अच्छी हो, घर पे भी आपकी भी. आप लोग अपना ध्यान रखोगे तब घर पे सब सही रहेंगे. बच्चे हो, स्पाउस हो, कोई भी हो, इन लॉज हो, पेरेंट्स हो, कोई भी हो, हम लोग अच्छे रहेंगे तो बाकी हमारे वाले अच्छे रहेंगे, है ना. So we will start. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Meghna Akka. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the love and likes. Thank you so much. I am wearing a Toss by Toss Mekhela Sador, Tasar by Tasar Mekhela Sador in the natural color with copper zari and chocolate brown. गर्मी है लेकिन I still have to wear this because I don't have a choice. So I have only two colors left now. One in this maroon and red combination, and one very very classy. Arey, this is boga toss, white toss. पूजा दी आप ये देख सकते हैं with royal blue and surf blue का काम. The most classy, the classiest of them all the four is this white toss with grey and yellow. बड़ा 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 stunning piece है ये. And this is plain with gamkharu design, paneled intricately woven archal, but the body is plain. Very classy again. So I find these classier than these, frankly. If I have to give you my honest opinion. ओके, कॉटन से शुरू करें, किससे शुरू करें? पंछी वाले साड़ी, पाखी साड़ी से शुरू करें, कॉटन से शुरू करें, कॉटन सिल्क से शुरू करें, पिंक, पिंक भी है ना, मैं आपको फोटो भेजूंगी पिंक का. पिंक आज साड़ीज है, मतलब फॉर पिंक लवर्स आई हैव लाइक ऐसे ऐसे बिछा सकती हूँ मैं. आज पिंक ही पिंक है आज. So I had got, so ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग को yarn खरीदना पड़ता है. So I had got cottons. I will start with cottons. So I had got a lot of pink yarn in different pinks. I was planning to make on pink on red warp, pink on black warp, pink on white warp. तो permutation calculation करके कुछ ना कुछ होके पिंक ढेर सारे बन के आ गए, और कुछ 2-3 पहले के भी हैं. Okay, so starting with the first sari, it is this maroon shade, pretty maroon color. This is maroon with a red woven border. ये ब्लाउज के बिना आता है. This is the gauze buta with the locoparo in surf blue and royal blue. This is not white, this is fluorescent neon pink. Hello Amrita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the surf blue and the royal blue bird motifs. Completely hand woven, maroon color में है, and ये bright red में आपका woven border है. This is for 3500 3500 plus shipping. इसके संग ब्लाउज नहीं है. This is a very pretty sari. I have only one piece. This is like that ek chidiya anek chidiya that we used to have. I don't know how many of you are from that generation, because Konika has confirmed she is not from this generation. So she is from the generation after that, I think. So it doesn't make me feel old at all. Self confidence इतना high है मेरा कि I don't feel old. Even if she says these things, I'm like, I just shrug those off my shoulders like this. Okay, so this is a very pretty Pakhi collection with hand woven birds, and these birds, मेरा idea था sparrow, because this looks like a sparrow also. Very pretty one. Hello Chitralekha ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is for 3500 plus shipping. I will do the fall and picot. You don't have to do anything. Tassels आपको मैं दिखा देती हूँ. If I have to do the extra tassels, it will be charged at 100 rupees extra. But these tassels are already there. Okay, so in other cottons, this is a slate This is a slate color, sort of a color. Or if I could call it dark teal blue, sort of. No, darkest shade of teal blue. But this is slate color only. Red woven border on top. Back again, Ishita Di. Thank you so much for joining. And this is the pallu. This is blue. This is red and purple. This is red and white. And this is yellow and black. And bottom border is like this. Blue, orange, purple, magenta, yellow, green. Okay? This is what you have. This is the sari, priced at 4,500, free shipping all over Bharat. In case you want to pay by credit card, 3% will be charged extra. Then also you can do. In case you want to buy more than one sari and want to pay it in installments, you can very well do that. Quickly just send us a screenshot. The number is 7595959055. It's pinned to your screen. I have 2 pieces of this. People were going gaga over my black Puan sari. So here is a chance to get a similar one in the similar color tone, color scheme. So this is the one. Quickly send us a screenshot. 2 pieces we have. 1 and this is 2. Same color. Okay. Cotton, pure cotton by cotton. Who wanted to see? If you're there, I'll start with the cotton. Sheera ma'am. This is cotton number 1 in red. Very pretty red. This is a tribal weave, machine tribal weave. And my pronunciation is usually okay in English, considerably okay in English. So it is not machine. Machine nahi hai. M-A-C-H-I-N-E nahi hai. It is machine weave. Machine is a tribal community in Assam. And they are very skilled weavers. Superbly skilled weavers. So this is your red color. Sari number 1, pure cotton. Machine weave again, sari number 2, purple with orange and yellow. Sari number 3, maroonish, this is like ruby red. Sari number 3, Boro Arunai weave. Boro again is a tribe of Assam. Another tribal weave, Dimasa weave. Dimasa weave. Mummy, please likhi diya na. Just give me one moment. This is in black. Just give me one quick moment. Hello Pratima ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is black Dimasa weave. This is quite a beautiful sari. This is my favorite. Mommy is shouting. Can you not shout and just write it on this thing? Just write it down because I can hear you. So my mom is talking to me from 2 rooms beyond. So I'm just telling her, calling her and telling her, I can hear you, please. So this is the sari number 4, black Dimasa tribal weave. Sari number 5 is a lovely chocolate brown. Beautiful chocolate brown, as you can see. Pure cotton में ये सारे sarees बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही सुंदर है. Hello, my dear Bo. Thank you so much for joining. Sari number 5 was the chocolate brown. Sari number 6 is this amazingly gorgeous. Do you have Naga Dimasa weave in lighter colors? Naga weave does not come in lighter colors. If you want, I can make it in lighter colors, but I'll have to make 20 pieces together. So I will not do it. They usually don't this thing. Hi Nivedita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. I'll open the brown. Aarti ma'am, let's open the brown first. Before we show all the colors, let's open the brown. These are your borders, brown के borders, जो आपको I will put and give to you. Yes, that is lilac color. I'll show that also to you. This is a very, very pretty brown color. Then this is the body, brown with off-white and beige. This is quite, thank you. So, my bhabhi has joined. Her name is Lipsika Borua and she is my hair expert, hair solutions expert. She's got a beauty parlor here. She's got a parlor in Guwahati, of course, but people outside Guwahati cannot avail the offers. But she's got, and I do not let anybody else touch my hair with scissors. It's only her. So she does an amazing job, I think. So this is the very, very beautiful pallu, very intricate pallu. This is off-white and beige color ke flowers on the body. This is how the sari will look. Thank you. Yes, Aarti ma'am, this is very, Shira ma'am, yes, this is very pretty. And this is the blouse piece, plain with one line of this border. And the color is as seen on your screen. It is chocolate brown. Hi Shweta ma'am, after so long, so good to see you. Thank you Amrita ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, that Pakhi sari that I showed is actually, although it might look that it is this sari that I showed in pure cotton, I had asked mummy to measure it and send it to me. So she sent it 5.62 meters and width is 47 inches. So width is quite big, good. So of course the width is more because I am 5'6", and from the ground, if I have to show it to you, from the ground, it's still my mid bust. So of course a lot of width there. Okay, so that's for yeah. So these sarees with fall and picot, if I have to do the fall and picot, then they are charged at 4,500, and we've the tassels and the borders would be done by me. Dilu to pin does a number. Tassels and borders will be done by me. Complimentary, that's free of cost. But fall and picot is charged at 100 rupees extra. So if you do not want the fall and picot, you want only the tassels and the borders, they are charged at 4,400 each. Free shipping hai, and free border and tassels हम लोग करके देंगे आपको. And for fall and picot, it will be charged at, the total amount, payable amount would be 4,500. Korisutu 822 Pindase. So this is a very, very, very pretty lilac shade with bright yellow, white and chocolate brown. This is chocolate brown, this is not black. This is chocolate brown. Okay, completely hand woven. Off white है ये, yellow है ये, and this is chocolate brown. Very pretty one. This is very pretty. आंचल का इतना काम कॉटन में कोई भी आपको करके नहीं देगा. Oh, নাই করা. Share করে দিছো? Okay, so this is these, and the best part, I am not telling it arrogantly, but the best part about these sarees are you can very well wear them without the borders. This is how the selvages look, sides look. Okay, so this is the saree without the border. इसी में और एक बात क्लियर कर दूं कि अगर आपको बॉर्डर्स नहीं चाहिए, सो द प्राइस विल नॉट चेंज बिकॉज आई विल एनीवे डू द बॉर्डर्स. आज लाइव के बाद सारा कुछ स्टिचिंग में जाएगा. बाय डिफॉल्ट बॉर्डर्स एंड टैसल स्टिच होके रेडी रहेगा. ओके, आई विल शेयर. थैंक यू. दिस इज द बॉर्डर जो आपको मैं लगा के दूंगी. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. But in case you don't need the border, you'll need to mention it on WhatsApp कि please do not attach the borders. I want the saree without the borders. Otherwise, by default setting, the saree will go with tassels and borders. This is your blouse piece, plain with one line of the border. Yes, these sarees look like Ahimsa silk only. Some people to sell them as eri cotton and I don't know what all unethical malpractices go on with these sarees. But we turn a deaf ear. Why? Because we have got into fights and arguments and burnt our hands badly in the process. So which is why we don't want to obviously get into those kind of disturbing activities. This is the saree. 4,400 without fall and picot. 4,500 if I have to stitch the fall and picot. So now the saree count goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 I have showed. This is saree number 7. So this is saree number 5 now. Hi Subhasini ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is ash grey, dark grey. This is the color of my skirt when I used to be in school. So I loved school. So I'm like very attached to this color. This is my favorite shade of grey. So this beautiful splash of colors on this dark grey makes it super duper beautiful. ऑफ वाइट थ्रेड है, रेड एंड ग्रीन का काम है ऐसा. मिशिंग वीव अगेन, ट्राइबल वीव अगेन, ग्रीन, ऑफ वाइट एंड रेड का कॉम्बिनेशन वाला काम है, मोटिव्स है. द बॉर्डर्स आर इन पर्टिकुलर वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस एंड दिस इज द बॉर्डर विच आई विल अटैच फॉर यू. टैसल्स एंड बॉर्डर्स बाय डिफॉल्ट अटैच होके जाएंगे 4,400 में. फॉल पी को करवाना होगा तो 4,500 देयर चार्ज. शिपिंग ऑल ओवर भारत फ्री है. Quickly, just send me the saree. This was 7. This was 7. Number 8 is this hot pink. Very pretty hot pink with off-white and yellow ka kaam. This is a very nice one. Extremely beautiful one. Just check this. ब्यूटिफुल पिंक विथ ऑफ व्हाइट एंड येलो का इतना इंट्रिकेट आंचल कॉटन में कौन बनाता है? कोई नहीं बनाता है. दिस इज विथ येलो एंड ऑफ व्हाइट. बॉर्डर्स आपको मैं दिखा दूं, पहले ब्लाउज दिखा देती हूं. दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस विथ ऑफ व्हाइट एंड येलो. दीज आर द बॉर्डर्स जो आपको हम लगा के देंगे. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, ये हम लगा के देंगे आपको. दिस इज वेरी वेरी प्रिटी एंड दिस इज फॉर 4,400. $4,400 विदाउट फॉल एंड पिको. टैसल्स एंड बॉर्डर्स मैं लगा के दूंगी, आपको नहीं करना है. और 4,500 में आपको सिर्फ अपना ब्लाउज बनवा के पहनना है. यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स. द साड़ी विल गो एज रेडी टू वेयर to you. There goes साड़ी नंबर 8. Sari number 9 is a very very interesting yellow, greenish yellow. I hope I am not boring you with these sarees. If not, please let me know. I'll move to some other section. This is a greenish or link to toy इसलिए देखो, because कोई भी कमेंट नहीं कर रहा है, कोई भी कमेंट नहीं कर रहा है, लव लाइक्स नहीं दे रहा है. So I don't even know whether I should continue or I should not. Hello Kakuli ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the beautiful sari with red and green. With red and green, and people who are joining from with names. How can I showing more? Thank you, Mercy. People who are joining which have usernames which are more metaphorical. Suppose, say, I don't know what to call it because I don't know such names. So please let us know where you're joining from. Please let us know your name so that we can address you by your name. And because somebody has joined 777 full moon, so I don't know what's your name. So in case you're joining us to buy or to watch handloom sarees from Assam, please let us know your name and your location so that it's easier for us. Okay. Yeah, I know, yeah. Swapna ma'am, I know. I'll tell you which sari you got through me. So because I feel very embarrassed later on when I find out that I have known you for years now, but I don't know your username on Instagram, then I get very, very, it's very shameful for me to address you like that, right? When people are watching us, when I have about, say, 100 odd views, so 100 people will address you the wrong way. So I don't want to do that. So please let us know where all you're joining from and your name. Your first name will do. I will most likely call you Akka if you're older to me, Didi, Akka, or I will call you by your name, or ma'am. Hi Purubiba, thank you so much for joining. This is a greenish yellow, super duper soft, butter soft, beautiful sarees and completely hand woven. This is, hi Arpita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is a very nice greenish yellow. कलर है ना जैसा आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पर वैसा ही है. दिस द ब्लाउज पीस विथ रेड एंड ग्रीन, ब्राइट रेड एंड ग्रीन का काम है. दीज आर द बॉर्डर्स जो आपको हम लगा के देंगे. बॉर्डर्स बड़े सुंदर है. इसमें तो आपको बॉर्डर लगाना ही चाहिए, इसमें आपको मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. यू शुड पुट बॉर्डर्स फॉर दिस वन बिकॉज द बॉर्डर्स आर इन पर्टिकुलर वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज द कलर ऑफ द साड़ी. पूरे बॉडी में रेड एंड ग्रीन कलर के मोटिव्स हैं ऐसे. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर 4400. दैट इज आवर 9th. that was our 9th sari. 10th is this beautiful black. This was at one point of time, I don't know how many of you are watching us from a longer time, but this sari has been our most popular sari. Yes, and I have, my sister has just written that these saris are sold at 6,000, 7,000 rupees. I can produce screenshots, but since I do not do those kind of things, I do not believe in looking at somebody else's business and saying, okay, we sell at this price and this comparative analysis. I do not want to do that. I don't want to get into it. But yes, we do have data. People send us screenshots, and I have not collected those screenshots from going from website to website or page to page. You all have sent us screenshots to me saying, see, your sari, this sari is sold at 6,700. Recently, day before yesterday, when I launched these saris, first time when I showed these saris, they have told me, I have received 2 screenshots, not one but 2 screenshots, confirming that they are sold at 6,700 at another page. So this is a Boro design, this is the Bisoni design, this is the Borfi jewelry, Borfi motif, this is the Boro Bisoni design, and this is the motif in the body. There goes your blouse piece, black with this lovely border, red and beige, and this is your border, which I will put and give to you. You don't have to put the border, and the tassels, both I will do and give. 4,500 if I make the sari with fall picot tassels and borders, or else it is without the fall and picot, it is for 4,400. This is your sari, kapallu. These are your borders. Without border also, this looks very, very amazing. I'll show you the edges of the saris, dark color saris, so that you can let me know this is how it looks. So that you can let me know कि आपको साड़ी हमें border stitch करना है कि नहीं. These are not saris that you will get in markets. We can say we have kind of monopoly in these cotton saris. There goes the 10th sari. So we actually attach borders के Bengal weaves आपको ढेर सारे मिल जाएंगे. आजकल तो Bengal Assam weave बोल के attached border वो असम में नहीं बनता है. Just to let you know, attached border woven border वाले असम में नहीं बनता है, वो कहीं और बनता है. असम में बिल्कुल ही नहीं बनता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ जो बनता है that is always with attached border. Like we have for our silks also, these are always with attached border. And जो woven border है उसका setup अलग होता है. Cotton में that warping is extremely costly. आप मुगा में आपको मिलेगा असम made woven borders. आपको cotton silk में भी मिलेगा woven borders. आपको silk में तो मलबरी silk में भी मिलेगा, तसर silk में मिलेगा, cotton silk में भी मिलेगा, where the weft is silk or silk is involved either in the warping or in the weft. लेकिन cotton by cotton में असम में नहीं है. सो आप लोग डिसाइड कर लीजिए आपको असम से असम वीव खरीदना है या बंगाल का असम वीव खरीदना है. एनीवे, हर बंगाल इज अ पायनियर इन हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट्स. बंगाल में इतने सारे वीव्स हैं, आई डोंट इवन नो हाफ ऑफ देम, आई एम इग्नोरेंट अबाउट हाफ ऑफ देम. बट ये साड़ीज आपको जो भी बोल रहा है वोवन बॉर्डर वाले साड़ीज असम में नहीं बनता है. कॉटन बाय कॉटन नहीं बनता है. असम खादी बोल के कोई कुछ नहीं बनता है. बिहू साड़ी नहीं बनता है. आई नो कोनिका, राइट? आई नीड टू क्लैरिफाई दैट दोज साड़ीज आर नॉट मेड इन असम. अटैच बॉर्डर्स वाले कॉटन बाय कॉटन के बारे में बोल रहे हो. कॉटन बाय सिल्क यू विल गेट असम मेड फिक्स्ड बॉर्डर वोवन बॉर्डर वंस, इंटरवोवन बॉर्डर वंस. बट कॉटन बाय कॉटन में वो वर्पिंग पे पैसा कोई नहीं खर्च करेगा. इट्स अ ह्यूज कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व. वी नो बिकॉज वी डू द प्रोडक्शन, वी आर इनटू प्रोडक्शन, दैट इज व्हाई वी नो. Okay, so this is a very 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 nice, very pretty off white and green color का काम वाला साड़ी. This is the green and off white motifs. This is the border and this is the, these are the borders. This is the blouse piece. These are the borders जो आपको मैं लगा के दूंगी. इसका भी बॉर्डर बड़ा ही सुंदर है, कॉन्ट्रास्ट. This is a very 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 pretty one. Okay, 4,400. Extremely 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 pretty. Swapna ma'am, are you there? I don't know if you all like black ones, but this has been my favorite, and this was made by me in silk first. This was a design card that I had made for silk, for Mulberry silk. Just checking. Okay, so this was a design card made for Mulberry silk, but something happened to me and I decided ki let's make this in cotton. I love blacks and greys. I know. I still have this with me. One more piece. So, this is a super duper black one. Yes. I too wear cottons. I wear cottons to parties also. So this is with the very very intricate border. इसको कॉटन में बनाना ही कितना मुश्किल है, मतलब because it doesn't pay you off that well as a weaver. रॉयल ब्लू, फिरोजी ब्लू, येलो के संग काम है, and this is yellow, royal blue, फिरोजी blue, red. This is the flower butta in the body. Yes, absolutely. These are the borders. And this is the blouse piece. Hi Neerja ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the blouse piece. 4400. Border अगर stitch नहीं करना है, you will have to give me a prior this thing on message on WhatsApp saying please do not get the border stitch. I want it without the border. Yeah, this black is super duper beautiful. One of my favorites, this purple with red and off-white flowers all over the body with this beautiful border in red and off-white. This is your blouse piece. Look at the purple. This is such a beautiful purple. I cannot tell you. This is the purple. Very, very pretty. 4,400 without fallen picot. Quickly just take a screenshot. Send me the love and likes. Love and likes should be flowing like this. as I talk, otherwise my energy will be down, my fuel will be gone. Get it home. Idiot. The last of the cotton lot. Oh. লইলে ভাল পাওঁ কালি 11 টকাৰ হেৰি হৈছে Okay, so this is a black beauty. This is super duper, this is super attractive. I love this combination. Pat Khariaji baby pink ke baby pink. So I am conversing with my sister. I'm sorry, we are conversing in Assamese. So she's asking me, do you have baby pink pat sari? I said आज pink ही pink है. मतलब आज इतना pink है कि overdose हो जाएगा pink का. This is the black sari with magenta pink and surf blue ka Bisoni motifs here in the palla. This is the body ke bootas, surf blue and hot pink. This is super beautiful. I have 2 pieces of this, so if you want you can get it. These are the borders. Border ke saath bahut sundar lagta hai ye. Very pretty one. This again मैं तो बोलूंगी this is editor's pick of today for the black one. No doubt the other black that I showed is equally beautiful, but if you are looking for black, I would suggest you to take this one. It's super duper मतलब uber beautiful. बहुत ही सुंदर है ये. And this is for 4400. I've shown you the borders, the blouse piece and everything. Naga sarees अगर देखना है तो बता दीजिए, otherwise I'll move to silks. Hello, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, we can definitely see part silk. So moving on to part silk. पहले thread वाले साड़ीज दिखा देती हूँ. This is the dual tone red with peach. Mekhla I have shown. Like what I am wearing, I don't have it in chocolate, but Shweta ma'am, let me just quickly show the mekhla to her. This is the sador. It's a vintage design, red and maroon. This is toss by toss, tasar by tasar, Assam tasar by tasar, traditional in a bigger size, jumbo size mein, traditional gauze buta with the lokoparo. You can see the flowers hanging from the branches, very very beautifully done. This is the Borfi motif, and this is a very very vintage style, very 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 beautiful. This is the sador in red and maroon. Red and maroon, and this is the mekhela. This is your mekhela. This is very pretty, very very pretty. These are your borders जो आपको हम लगा के देंगे, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. And this is your blouse piece. Okay, and this is priced at 8800. Everything will be ready to wear. You don't have to do anything at all. I will do all the stitching and send it to you. कॉटन मेखला सदर मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही है जो रेडी टू वेयर है, जो डिस्काउंट पे है. You lucky that Aarti ma'am, that is for 8800. Free shipping hai. Whoever asked for cotton mekhla sador, you lucky. This is a pure cotton by cotton, super duper soft sador. This is the sador. Grey color का काम है sador में. This is the body ka buta. This is the palla on both sides. This I have. This is a bright and beautiful yet very elegant yellow with grey. This is the sador. And this is your mekhela. कहाँ तक आता है मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. अराउंड 5-6. सो जमीन से लेकर मेरे अंडर बस तक आराम से आ जाता है. दिस इज द मेखला. And this is your blouse piece. This is for, otherwise for 5,000 plus shipping. Only and only for today, this is for 3,700 free shipping all over Bharat. 3700. मतलब क्योंकि मेरे पास एक पीस है, I am just letting it go at throwaway price. ये मेरे कॉस्टिंग में भी नहीं आता है, स्टिचिंग में भी नहीं आता है, मेकिंग में भी नहीं आता है. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर द लव एंड लाइक्स. प्लीज कीप देम गोइंग. दैट्स माय फ्यूअल. आपने देखा होगा लव एंड लाइक्स मिलते ही मेरा वॉल्यूम हाई हो जाता है. सो दिस इज अ डुअल टोन, पीच एंड रेड डुअल टोन विथ chocolate color weaving done here. Number 1, this is a lovely pink on pink. I don't know if this is a pink on pink. आज तो मतलब पिंक का बौछार है, बौछार. This is a pink on pink. Okay. Pink on pink. साड़ी नंबर 2, पाट सिल्क, मलबरी सिल्क, असम सिल्क, तीनों एक ही चीज का नाम है. This is another dual tone in pink, very very pretty. ये आप देख सकते हैं dual tone without me. This is the exact dual tone effect. Can you see? Sari number 3. Peach pink. Sari number 4. Sari number 4. Thread work में साड़ी नंबर 5 is this lavender shade. This I don't know why you are not liking. This is the best color we have made in a long time. This is a dual tone with a hot pink effect. It's made on hot pink warp. मैंने last time भी आप लोग को दिखाया तो मैंने warp का color दिखा दिया था. This is the warp का color. You can see in the blouse piece, right? So this is the hot pink warp. उसमें हम लोगों ने ये वाला lilac sort of a color मारा है. देखिए, this is the color of the weft. So I will always, because I am the production guy, so I will always show you the most intricate details. This is the warp का रानी pink का hot pink का धागा, and this is the blue sort of blue lilac color basically, which makes it this dual tone. Very pretty with black धागा का काम. This is a very rich color. So saree number 5. साड़ी नंबर 5 वो दिखा दिया. अभी इन 5 साड़ीज में से आपको कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं बताइए. Let me know which one to show. 5 options I have given you. उसमें से कौन सा वाला दिखाऊं. No, you don't want to see anything. Peach. Okay, so now I am showing sari number 4. Sari number 4. This beautiful, very, very divine looking peach color. And these are payable in 2 installments. 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 shipping. So these are payable in 2 installments. 5,200 you can pay first, or 5,000 you can pay first. And जब आप next payment of 5,000 या 5,200 you make, the sari will be dispatched to you for pico, tassels, borders, सब कुछ होके जाएगा. You just have to get your blouse piece stitched. So this is your super duper peach color beauty. With golden and white color ka thread work. This is not zari, although it shines like this. This is not zari. This is golden color thread and white color thread work. This is the border. And पूरे बॉडी में ये बहुत ही सुंदर मोटिव्स हैं. This is a light color but a very very gorgeous piece. इसके मेरे पास I think 3 आए थे इधर उधर से combination बन के, but the others got sold, and this is very beautiful. Yeah, this is very very pretty, very very pretty. And because this is made on white warp में dark peach मार के ये color आया है. It looks like those Ishita Di says it looks like the Lakme peach milk color. Exactly वही color है. मैंने, although I don't use it, I cannot use, मेरा तो तला हुआ पापड़ है already. But yes, I've seen the color. This is the very very pretty blouse piece, and this is the color. आपको जैसा अभी दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे, एटलीस्ट मेरे स्क्रीन पे क्लियरली दिख रहा है. आई कैन सी इट वेरी वेरी क्लियरली दैट दिस इज द पीच कलर, पीच मिल्क लैक्मी वाला कलर. दिस इज द कलर, एक्चुअल कलर. वेरी प्रिटी कलर. 10,000 प्लस शिपिंग. साड़ी नंबर 4. साड़ी नंबर 4. Now another peach I will show is sari number 1. Is this dual tone. This is बहुत सुंदर रेड वॉर्प में मारा गया है पीच कलर. So it's giving this धूप छाव effect. This is also very very pretty. Hi Rinku ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Shweta ma'am, I hope you're watching. I'm showing silk sarees, your favorites. Hi Shubha ma'am, thank you so much for watching. This is with chocolate brown, very very pretty. This goes there goes your border. This is above the border, 3 lines a border, 3 lines of these lovely motifs, bunch of flowers basically, and this is your body ka motif. Very cute, very sweet flowers made. I'll show you the blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. Very simple, very sweet. You can see the warp ka color. So ये तो झेलना ही पड़ेगा आपको मेरे से. This is the warp ka color. So I am more comfortable and confident talking about these things. And this is the weft ka color. Can you see the color? Copper color, sort of beige color. So I am more comfortable doing this than this, but yes, I have to do both now. Since mom is not doing great, she's fine. Otherwise she's fine. It's just that she cannot stand and on for too long, which is why I have taken over those duties as well. So this is, hello Harsha ma'am, thank you Harshada ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the sari 10,000 plus shipping payable in 2 installments as promised. There goes sari number 1. पिंक ऑन पिंक, ये रिस्क बहुत कम लोगों ने लिया है. हम लोगों ने बहुत पहले से लिया है. 2019 में शायद पहला कॉम्बिनेशन बनाया था and it did very well. Unfortunate turn of events with COVID, but the catch is, the twist in the story is, COVID में I had sold a lot of this combination. So this is the combination. This is a beautiful pink on pink. This is with pink thread. This is the border. So this is self weaving. Can you see? This is self weaving. So it looks plain, but it's not. This is the effect. This is the body ka buta. This is the border. It's a pink on pink. It's a beautiful weave. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Yes, this is a very nice one. Monideepa aunty, I am so glad to see you. Thank you so much. So good to see you after a hiatus of I don't know how many months. I don't know where were you. Were you touring, traveling? This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 10,000 plus shipping में. This last time I got it, I think there was this sister of mine called Momita. She had taken it. This is the sari. Although from a distance it looks like it's plain, it is not. I have shown you the effect. So this is how it looks. Very pretty one, and this is also for 10,000 plus shipping. This was sari number 2. Sari number 3. Lovely, na? The pink on pink. I love the pink on pink. So I have promised myself no more blacks, no more greys, no more morose colors, no English colors, only Bharatiya colors. But I have promised myself I will include pink. I have a reservation against wearing pink. I have a reservation against wearing yellow. I have a reservation against wearing lavender, not lavender, lilac, in silk. Mauve lilacs, mauve, basically mauve. So I have promised myself consciously I will make an effort to buy more and more pink. And I have bought also, nobody can deny it. I bought a lot of reds and pinks in the past 1 year. Okay, so this is number 3. Ase, silver zari ase, hot pink nahi. Ase nahi, no. Okay, so this is a dual tone. As you can see, it's with peach and Rani pink ka iska warp hai. Rani pink के warp में peach color का weft है. This is the weft. है ना? Thank you so much for the love and likes. And maroon color का thread work है ऐसा. Maroon color का thread work. Hi Sumita Di, how are you feeling? I deliberately did not trouble you and message you and notify you of the live session because I didn't want to trouble you. You're not doing well. How are you feeling now? Hi Sangamitra ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the very 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 pretty dual tone dhoop chow effect. If you want something unique in a budget range when I say Assam silk starts at 10,000. So this is the lowest you getting it at. So budget range में आपको अगर चाहिए तो फटाफट ये उठा लीजिए. यूनिक कलर्स हैं, यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं. मैं कुछ भी ऊट पटांग बनाती रहती हूँ कभी कभी. तो sometimes I strike gold, sometimes I have to taste the dust. This is the sari ka pallu. Very very pretty one. Trust me, and just if you trust me with my choices, if you know my kind of recommendations, what kind of recommendations I give, तो आपको ये आँख मूंद के ले लेना चाहिए. अगर आपको पिंक में यूनिक कुछ चाहिए तो. Although I have sarees worth 18,000 in pink waiting for you, but I just wanted to लेकिन वो सब साड़ीज वो सब बिजनेस हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, तो इसी के लिए बता रही हूँ. 10,000 वाले रेंज में आप लोग ले सकते हैं. हाय रीना मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक यू सो मच सुमिता दी, थैंक यू फॉर कंफर्मिंग. I am so glad that you like the sarees, and Bandita di also like the sarees. I am so glad. Oh, is it? So 16,900 if I sell this saree, मेरा तो नींद ही उड़ जाएगा. So this is your blouse piece. Can you see the dual tone effect? Abhi bhi, as I am moving the saree here and there to and fro. Okay. So this was sari number 3. Sari number 5. Do you want to see this? Or you do not want to see this? Just not interested? Because I am so interested in showing it to you. I'm sorry, Cuquino 21. Yes, okay, yes. I do not know your name, so if you have if your login name, username is something which is not related to your name, kindly mention your name and your location on comment section, in the comment section. This is the 5th सूता वाली साड़ी, मतलब थ्रेड वर्क की साड़ी, जीरो जरी साड़ीज में से ये रहा लास्ट एंड 5th साड़ी, या लास्ट वन, राइट? हाँ जी. And this is a super duper gorgeous one at just 10,000 plus shipping. This is, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ये पार्ट मेरे को सबसे अच्छा लगता है करके. This is the Rani Pink का warp. Can you see the Rani Pink warp here? And उसमें ये वाला कृष्ण ब्लू जो कलर होता है, I don't know how many of you know that color. This is not a purple कलर का धागा, this is a blue कलर का धागा. कृष्ण ब्लू बोलते हैं ना. This is the धागा. This is the weft वाला धागा. So I've shown you the. Hello Shriparna ma'am, thank you so much for joining. I've shown you the warp and the weft. Rani Pink का Mulberry Silk का warp में blue color का I don't know what it's called. There's a particular name for it. Robin egg blue, if I'm not wrong. Krishna blue is called Robin egg blue, if I'm not wrong. In proper, the name of the terminology of the color in English is Robin egg blue, I think. And this is the very very pretty pallu with black thread work. Can you see the gorgeous color tone it's having, the dual tone it's having, dhoop chow effect? I'll faint. This saree is super duper beautiful, and it's lavender. It's giving this lavender effect. Blue को अगर रानी पिंक में मारा जाए तो it gives this, effect, very pretty effect. This is how it looks. 10,000 plus shipping पे ये कलर आपको, एंड दिस कलर आप कहीं भी ढूंढ लीजिए आपको मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि ये सब जब, यस दिस इज लैवेंडर बट इट है ना डुअल टोन. This is the धूप छाव effect of, because Rani pink, hot pink is such a prominent color. When you put it in the warp section दिया गले, it becomes very dominant in the sari. So not many colors can actually, if I put a purple also, dark purple also, it will still show up because it's such a dominant color to be in the warp. তার জন্য nobody actually has. Yes, we have lavender fields near and this is the exact color. Yes, it is. So it's lavender color with a dual effect. So nobody does the Rani pink warp. I don't know what went through me. So this is the blouse piece. Very pretty sari. Thank you Anjana ma'am. Thank you so much for joining. And this is for 10,000 plus shipping. Very pretty sari. Very pretty sari. Highly recommended by me. Those 5 sarees are done and dusted. Now I'll move to Zari silks. Number 1, neon green, bright and beautiful neon green with silver zari. मैं इसको कर देती हूँ off because I want you to see the real colors. This is the neon green. Sari number 1. Sari number 2 is, my heart goes out to this sari. It's such a pretty color. I don't know the name of the color. It's darker. I think this is the color. This is the color. It's a pale pink, blush pink, nude pink. I don't know what it is called, but this is a color with copper zari. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is the color. Very pretty color. This is peanut pink. Wow, I'm so impressed. You actually know these color names also. Is it Swapna ma'am? It's called Tutti Frutti color. Okay. Because this is a very pale pink. Very yeah, it's this. It's a pale color of pink, but it is super duper classy. I call it champagne pink. I have never seen champagne of this color, but I call it, yeah, it's nude pink sort of a color. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Highly recommended by me because if it is pink, it is this pink for me. Okay, number 2. That was a copper zari. Number 3, Firozi blue, turquoise blue with silver zari. Number 3. Number 4, a lovely blood red. This is not tomato red, this is blood red with silver zari. Number 4. Number 5. Just give me one moment. Number 5, baby pink with copper zari. Baby pink with copper zari. Number 5. So I said today is the day of pinks. For it's Pink Lovers Paradise today. This is a very interesting sari. This is, I'll show it to you, on yellow warp. So this is another of our experiments that we keep doing. आर नहीं बोल सकते, ये सब खुराफती मेरा ही है ज्यादातर. सो दिस इज येलो. This is your blouse piece. Can you see this is the yellow warp? So this is again a dual tone. Yellow mein this pink is the thread. I'll show you. This baby pink color का weft. Okay. So this is again a dual tone. Number 6 sari is this dual tone with copper zari. This is pink but with a shine. That was number 6. So now you tell me. Oh, now you tell me which one do you want to see. I will start with that. Six, I'll show 6. There. Navya ma'am, I'm showing 6 first. Neon green I will show next. Number 1. This is number 6. Ultai. This is a very pretty number 6 with copper zari dual tone. मैंने आपको येलो विद बेबी पिंक वाला वॉर्प एंड वेफ्ट भी दिखा दिया है. दिस इज योर कॉपर जरी का फूल पत्ती वाला पूरा पल्लू में काम किया गया है. ओके. This is your blouse piece with one line of the border. And this is your border. That's the border. And this is your very pretty flower motifs in the body. So can you see the yellow interference? Again, as a warp ka color, yellow is quite dominating. लेकिन हम लोग को मजा आता है इन सब dominating colors को tame down करने के लिए खेल के. Okay, so this is the very pretty dual tone pink and yellow mixed shade, nude pink and yellow mixed shade वाला color की साड़ी पार्ट बाय पार्ट, मतलब असम सिल्क बाय असम सिल्क, मतलब मलबरी सिल्क बाय मलबरी सिल्क, warp and weft. It's a धूप चाव dual tone. I've shown you the blouse piece, the borders, the body के buttas, motifs, the pallu ke motifs, everything. This is priced at 13,500 plus shipping, payable in 2 shots. 13,500 plus shipping. फटाफट मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट दे दीजिए. These sarees are not here to remain. I will show 3 to 4 costlier range sarees also. Quickly send us a screenshot. The number to do that is 7595959055. Saree number 1 then. श्वेता मैम, दिस इज फॉर यू. लव एंड लाइक्स नहीं आएंगे तो मेरा आवाज तो आप लोग को मालूम ही है. आई विल गो म्यूट. in sadness, in grief. Okay? लव एंड लाइक्स तो बनते हैं. इतनी गर्मी में I am wearing a full sleeve blouse and doing this live from 9:15. Before that, from 8:30 to 9, I have done in 8:30 to 9. Yeah, I have done in Facebook, done on Facebook. So likes and love तो बनता है बस. अभी डायरेक्ट आप लोग इतने घर के हो गए हो कि I don't even think twice. Thank you. Okay, so this is a very bright, as you can see it, it's a super duper gorgeous neon green color की साड़ी with silver zari. This is the, no, I am not feeling cold. I am not wearing the blouse. I don't have this color of plain color blouse and half sleeve. This is the blouse piece. देख लीजिए, it's a very nice green. This green exactly, and it's brighter than you seeing it on, at least on my screen. It's not showing as bright, but it's very bright otherwise. So this is the pallu, double palla बोलते हैं इसको, because the patterns vary. सिल्वर जरी का पूरा काम देखिए. Star motifs. Star. Hi Parul ma'am, thank you so much for watching. This is the neon green beautiful sari with star motifs या Torah motifs all over the body. This is your border. इन सिल्वर जरी पूरा का पूरा काम है. देख लीजिए, ये कलर है बिल्कुल. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मूव एंड शो यू द रियल कलर. इट्स अ वेरी ब्राइट कलर, बहुत ही ब्राइट है. ओनली वन पीस आई हैव रिमेनिंग ऑफ दिस फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन वर्क में. फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन वेफ्ट, फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन का भी वर्क किया था. पैरेट ग्रीन का वर्क होता है वो, उसमें ये कलर मारने से फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन हो जाता है. क्विकली जस्ट सेंड अस अ स्क्रीनशॉट. 13,500 प्लस शिपिंग, पेबल इन 2 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. आप जैसे ही कंप्लीट करोगे पेमेंट, पूरा पेमेंट, कंप्लीट पेमेंट जैसे ही हमारे पास आ जाएगा, वी विल डिस्पैच द साड़ी द नेक्स्ट डे. Sari number 2 was this very pretty baby pink with copper zari. Sari number 2. Sari number 3 is this blood red. अभी आ रहा है कलर, इतना सुंदर कलर है ना. This red is amazingly gorgeous red. This is not tomato red, but वो जो neon green दिखाया सेम कलर का red with silver है ये. Sari number 3. Sari number 4, Firozi blue with silver. This is also a very gorgeous sari. Sari number 4. And sari number 2, my favorite, nude pink. I had shown a metallic color yesterday. Today I am not sitting with it. I have given it to the tailor, Aarti ma'am. I am not sitting with it. I do not have it with me right now. But yeah, I will. I can show it to you tomorrow, or once it comes from stitching. This is the lovely Firozi blue. This is again a bright colored, very pretty sari, and this is 2 I will show. Yes, 2 I will show. My favorite I will show. Definitely show. এটা তো না বললেও দেখাবো. This is a very, very, very pretty one. This is because it is got more intricate weaving. इसका थोड़ा सा प्राइस ज़्यादा है. Okay. इसका आप लोग देख लीजिए. And this is vintage style weaving also. This is like a shank. This super duper pretty flower motif, star motifs, Torah motifs all over in silver zari. This is like the bright blue sky. Okay, this is the border. And I'll show you the blouse piece also. This is your blouse piece. Now, why that is less priced than this one? That is because look at the border here. ऐसा नहीं है, justification देना मेरा काम है. And look at the work in the border here. Okay. Plus, this is a different archal, and this is a different archal. Okay. This is priced at 14,500. 14,500 plus shipping. 14,500 plus shipping. And again, a note to all resellers: kindly do not come here to poach customers. They are not my customers. They are all my family members, and I just have an interaction with them over sarees, because I cannot just stand like this and talk to them. I have an interaction with them over sarees. We talk about everything under the sun. So please do not come here and poach them. A lot of them are complaining that you add them to random groups without their consent, and add them to Facebook groups, add them to all sorts of Instagram chats. Please do not do that. And one fine lady went to the extent of saying, I have got your number from Gayatri. I do this business. I am sorry. Just a word to everybody. I do not give out the numbers. I do not need to. You all are my family members. I always say the number of people I have as my followers, and they are all my family members. I do not have that relation of seller buyer with anybody. Any one of you. You please tell me if I ever have behaved like a seller and treated you like a buyer. I will never do that. That's not how I have been brought up. So please do not trouble them. You can come and watch the live. You can check this, but do not go take screenshots to this vendor, that vendor, saying I need this saree, I need this saree. Okay? Because I do not treat the people who are watching me right now, I do not treat them as my customers. They're all my family members. This is a word of caution for all of you who are doing unethical practices with them. Do not do it. If I have to take up things legally, it will be very, very problematic for you. I say things straight, so let me be the bad cop. I don't mind. Najanu. This is the sari. This is for 14,500 plus shipping, payable in 2 installments. This is how it looks. Very, very pretty one. In case you want this, quickly send us a screenshot. So, sari number, which one did you want? Neon green I showed, Firozi blue I showed. I'll show my favorite, number 5. Yeah. So I am very, very particular. मेरे लोगों के साथ मैं किसी के साथ mess up नहीं करती. I don't go around grabbing, searching for customers from here and there. I do not do all that. You come to watch the live, you're most welcome. I can learn a thing or two from you. Yes, I will show. But do not do this. It's not good. It doesn't speak good about you. और मेरे लोगों के साथ करने जाओगे तो आई एम वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव अबाउट माई पीपल. सो मैं बैंड बजा दूंगी अगर मेरे लोगों के साथ कुछ करा गलत. उन लोगों के साथ कुछ भी फ्रॉड, गूगल पे, ये सब करा. एंड प्लीज लेट मी नो, ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर वाचिंग अस, who speak regularly to us, in case somebody is approaching saying Gayatri has given your number, or I have got your number from so and so, and if it involves me or mummy, please let us know, and we will tell you whether it is true or not. Anybody who is approaching and who is doing Assam, who says ki we are doing Assam silk, we will give in this price, she sells in double the price, ye wo alana falana, be rest assured our prices are the best prices in the market. So if in case you get such an intimation, you please let us know. People usually come to this thing. We have burnt our hands a lot in this whole cutthroat competition. We are not in competition with any of the people except for ourselves. So quickly, please stop whatever you're doing. Okay, so this is my favorite of the lot. बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञानबाजी हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा warning वगैरह भी हो गया, sorry. लेकिन this is what it is. It's a very very intricately woven pallu. देख लीजिए in copper zari. This is the border. These shrubs of flowers, छोटे छोटे, बहुत सुंदर. And this is the copper zari ka flower buta in the body. A very very pretty sari. My favorite pink, my favorite kind of pink. एकदम मेरा वाला pink है ये. This is a very nude pink. And this is the sari. Price tag 13,500 plus shipping. 13500 plus shipping. And this is your blouse piece. This is the color. Exact color is this. इतना सुंदर कलर है ना. These colors, regardless of complexion, age, alana, filana, social status, all of that, regardless, this, anybody from any age group, I will look equally trendy. My mother will look better, of course, always, because she's a more confident woman than me. गुरुजी तो गुरुजी ही होंगे. तो this is the sari, and this is for 13,500 plus shipping. A very nice thing today. What happened? I went for Rishabh, my son's parents teachers meeting today, and we parents were discussing. His classmate ke parents had come, and he was telling me, I received a few days ago, the father of the child was telling me of Rishabh's classmates, the father of Rishabh's classmate. He was telling me that, ma'am, I have received a WhatsApp message, forward message, few days ago, which says, आजकल के बच्चों के जैसे हमारे पास 5G, 4G, 3G नहीं हुआ करता था. हमारे पास सिर्फ माताजी, पिताजी और गुरुजी होते थे. ये तीन जन हमको बराबर से ट्रेनिंग देते थे एंड बराबर से सीख देते थे. मतलब और हम लोग मतलब रास्ते पे आ गए, डायरेक्ट ऑन ट्रैक, बैक ऑन ट्रैक. सो दैट वाज सो फनी. मैं अभी माताजी बस बोली तो मेरे को याद आ गया. आई सडनली रिमेम्बर. So very true, na? In my case, so I had only Mataji. Mataji was my Guruji because she was my teacher. So both ways I had only Mataji only. Pitaji though he cannot do anything to me. Thank you, Amrita ma'am. Thank you so much. So my Mataji and my Guruji was the same. And both of them are the major reason as to why I am, whatever I am doing, whatever I am today, whatever little I am today in my life, it is only because of my Guruji and Mataji. This is the blouse piece, baby pink with copper zari. Hi Smita ma'am, hello Apurva ma'am, thank you so much. This is the pallu, this copper zari, this is the pallu, very very pretty ones. This is the paisley motif on top of the pallu. Hi Sneha Lataba, thank you so much for joining. And this is your flower buttas in the body. So बातें कर करके मैंने आप सबको बहुत बोर किया आज, but I am so happy to see you all. This is the sari, and this is for 13,500 plus shipping. Quickly send us a screenshot if you like this sari. Quickly send us a screenshot. फटाफट से मेरे को भेजिए. सारे साड़ीज लगभग 13,500 प्लस शिपिंग के हैं. सिर्फ एक साड़ी जो मैंने दिखाया, which is a very rare color combination, very rare weave also, that is for, it's got more weaving, that is for 14,500 plus shipping. This is the saree. Quickly send me a screenshot. रेड वाला नहीं दिखा रही हूँ, अभी कॉस्टली रेंज में जा रही हूँ. रेड वाला आप लोग देखना नहीं चाहते, किसी ने बोला नहीं रेड देखना है, तो मैं नहीं दिखा रही. ठीक. अच्छा, this is the sari, dark metallic copper color. This is the color with copper zari and silver zari. This is amazingly gorgeous. I don't know if you like this, but this is a very very gorgeous sari. Similar sari I have in this bright peach color. But this is with yellow tone. This is yellow dual tone में peach color. The color is as seen on your screen. With copper zari and silver zari. Okay? 2. Sari number 1, sari number 2. These are the costlier ones. These are in the range of 18,000 rupees, 18,000. They are on discount today. They are for 16,800 rupees. Free shipping all over Bharat. Baby pink with silver. This is a divinely beautiful saree. Ekdam highly recommended. This is the saree. Baby pink with silver. Saree number 3, baby pink with silver. This is a very very nice combination. One unique weave. If you're interested, I will show. Is this something called VIP saree? VIP saree is a 2 different color work ka amalgamation wala saree. It is a constructed saree because it's made in the Korvai style. Kanjivaram jaise Korvai style banta hai. The green warp has this green body, pura weaving with the green body. The pallu is in red by red and it is stitched. This pallu is stitched because obviously in a green warp you cannot make a red color. It's technically not possible. You can make something which looks like a tender mango leaf color but dual tone, but you cannot make a red in a red by red in a green warp. You cannot make a green in a red warp. You cannot make this red in a green warp. You cannot make this green in a red warp. Okay, this is parrot green and this is tomato red. And the thing about VIP sarees, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं, is that it's got 2 blouses, so that you can wear it with the aanchal color aanchal ka color also, with the blouse in the aanchal color. You can wear it with the blouse in the body color also. Now, these blouses, you can stitch a super, you can use your innovation and you can stitch a super duper blouse. Hello Astha ji, आप पहुंच गए ठीक ठाक. I hope you read safely. And this is the second blouse. This is also for 18,000 and this also is on discount for 16,800. This is called a VIP sari. It's the same methodology which is, yes, all good. Okay, great. It is so nice meeting you. I had a superb time, but only thing is time कम पड़ गया और बातें करनी थी ढेर सारी. So my favorite Astha ji was here and I had gone visiting her. Very thoughtful of her. मैं अभी आपके साड़ी ना सिलवाने दी. She gifted me a very pretty sari and I have given it for stitching. So I will wear it in the coming days. This is the very pretty sari and I will show you if you want. This is the buta in the body in golden zari and red thread work. This is the gauze buta on top of the aanchal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 5 lines, sorry. This is your border in red with gold and parrot green. Hi Reena ma'am, thank you so much for joining. And the pallu is very nicely woven. This is the Gamkharu panel design. This is the gauze buta with the lokoparo red में golden zari and parrot green मीनाकरी के साथ बहुत ही attractive पल्लू है. As I said earlier, this is called the VIP साड़ी. पहले ये सिर्फ जो भी VIPs आते थे बाहर से उनके लिए बनता था स्पेशली because they before इतना प्रेवलेंट नहीं था, इतना नोन भी नहीं था, अब भी नहीं है. बहुत कम लोगों को असम सिल्क के इंट्रिकेसीज मालूम है. लेकिन बिफोर दे यूज्ड टू थिंक कि ये कलर के साथ ये कलर क्यों नहीं बन सकता, ये कलर के साथ वो कलर क्यों नहीं बन सकता. सो वीआईपी साड़ीज का स्पेशलिटी यही है कि बॉडी का जो वर्क का कलर होगा वो अलग होगा एंड पल्लू का वर्क का कलर अलग होगा. इसको पीछे से ऐसे कुरवाई की तरह अटैच किया जाता है. सो दिस इज अ रेड ऑन रेड वॉर्प एंड वेफ्ट. दिस इज अ पैरेट ऑन पैरेट ग्रीन. वॉर्प एंड वेफ्ट दोनों पैरेट ग्रीन बाय पैरेट ग्रीन कलर के हैं, मलबरी बाय मलबरी. सो दिस इज हाउ द पल्लू लुक्स. यू कैन this is how the sari looks on draping. You can drape it with a red blouse or a green blouse. हम लोग दोनों ब्लाउज आपको मैंने दिखा दिया है. This blouse also, this blouse also. Okay, दो ब्लाउज पीसेस हैं इसके साथ. This was 16,800. ये मैंने दिखा दिया है. अब ये साड़ी आपको देखना है तो मैं दिखाऊंगी. This is for 15,500 plus shipping. 15,500 plus shipping. Copper color with copper zari and silver zari. This is a dual tone peach color with yellowish tone with copper zari and silver zari. Color number 2. Sari number 2. This is a costlier one. 16,800 का ये. Baby pink with silver. But this is a gorgeous sari. बहुत सुंदर. Baby pink with silver में है. ओके अगर आपको देखना है तो बता दीजिए वरना मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. 1, 2, 3 कौन सा देखना है बता दीजिएगा. नहीं तो लेट मी गो टू द मुगास. मुगा नंबर 1 कुंखो बेबी पिंक विद सिल्वर खो. ओके आई विल शो. जस्ट रुकावट के लिए खेद है, मैं बेबी पिंक विद सिल्वर वाला दिखा देती हूँ. This is a very pretty baby pink color, baby pink with silver. This is the pallu. मैं इसके लिए लाइट ऑफ कर देती हूँ because लाइट का कोई काम नहीं है इस ऑलरेडी इल्यूमिनेटेड साड़ी में. सिल्वर जरी के साथ इसमें लायन मोटिव्स है, जापी मोटिव्स है, मयूर के मोटिव्स है, हिंकअप मोटिव्स हैं, पेजली मोटिव्स है. क्या नहीं है इसमें. गॉस बूटा है विथ लोकोपारो. ढोल के मोटिव्स हैं इसमें. है ना. दिस इज द वेरी प्रिटी पल्लू और फिर ये खिंखा बूटा है, गॉस बूटा विद लोकोपारो है, पेजली मोटिव्स हैं. हाय मिथिला मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज अ गुड 5 इंच का बॉर्डर with these equally very very aesthetically made sari. This is खिंखा बूटा, गॉस बूटा विद लोकोपारो, पेजली या कोलका मोटिव, अम्बी मोटिव, ये सारे के सारे मोटिव्स हैं. बॉर्डर में भी 4 इंच से बड़ा बॉर्डर है. ये पेजली मोटिव्स वाला साड़ी है सिल्वर जरी में. बहुत 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 सुंदर. आई हैव ग्रीन इन दिस, डार्क एमरल्ड ग्रीन, एंड आई हैव दिस कलर बेबी पिंक विद सिल्वर. नहीं एकदम टाइलिश ना. थैंक यू फॉर द लव एंड लाइक्स. दिस इज अ वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी, बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है. इसका ब्लाउज पीस भी में भी बड़ा बॉर्डर है. ये ऐसे दिख रहा है लेकिन ये कलर है, एग्जैक्ट कलर आपका ये है. इट्स सॉफ्ट बट इट्स नॉट पेल. इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच आस्था जी, थैंक यू सो मच. मैं वही किसी मतलब सबको बता रही थी कि अगर कोई बोलता है कि गायत्री के प्राइसेस तो ऐसे हैं, मैं आपको इस प्राइस में दूंगी, उस प्राइस में दूंगी. A lot of people come back to me saying your muga is priced at 70,000, but this person or so and so shop is selling it at 65,000. Then I say because they will make it up in 10 other sarees and much more than I am taking. So I do not go in that comparative analysis at all. I am not affected also by that. लेकिन कभी कभी बुरा लगता है जब बोलते हैं कि तुम्हारे प्राइसेस बहुत ज्यादा है, इस प्राइस का साड़ी आप हम लोग को 5,000 कम में मिल रहा है, वो प्राइस में आपको कम मिल रहा है, बाकी आप जितने भी लोग हैं ना उसमें वो लोग मेकअप कर देंगे. So that's the catch. लेकिन I do not do all of those things. I do not need to do, and plus I do not have the bandwidth to do all those things. मैं वही बता रही थी, कोई अगर ऐसे अप्रोच करता है तो प्लीज एक बार मेरे को बता दीजिएगा, मेरे को बुरा नहीं लगेगा. बल्कि आपको अगर कम में मिले, आप सब लोग मेरे अपने हो, तो आप लोग को कम में मिले तो मुझे ही अच्छा लगेगा. और मैं खुद ही I have people who message me saying, do you ship to US? Then I said, don't ship to US from Assam. They charge 4,000 per kilo minimum. तो don't ship from this thing. वो लोग मुझे कई बार बोलते हैं कि ना तो कोई आने वाला भी नहीं है और मेरा कोई और पार्सल भी नहीं आ रहा है, so I will not take. तुम बुरा मत मानो. तो मैं बुरा नहीं मानती, मुझे अच्छा ही लगता है, बिकॉज जिसका भी पैसा हो और जितना भी पैसा हो, everything is hard earned money. Everybody puts their blood and sweat into it. So I will not suggest कि नहीं मैम आप ले लीजिए, आपने तो बुक किया था, अभी तो आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा. ये सब नहीं करना है. अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं खराब, मतलब आई डू नॉट हैव द प्रॉपर पीपल स्किल्स और कस्टमर्स ओरिएंटेशन स्किल्स, सो बी इट. Yeah, thread count is important. Plus, a lot of things go into these. अगर मेरा प्राइस कुछ ज्यादा है तो that मेरे को भी किसी को देना पड़ेगा. So that is why it is more. मैं तो वीव करती नहीं, तो that way. But thank you so much for confirming, आस्था जी. Thank you. And मैं कलकत्ता आते ही कचड़ा पड़ा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? या जहाँ भी आपका लोकेशन है वहाँ आ जाओ. मैं अपने आप को सेल्फ इनवाइट कर रही हूँ. मेरी क्योंकि इतनी बातें करनी थी ना, अधूरी रह गई सारा कुछ. मटुक पिसत देखा मैं तू कुमाइट से. Okay, so this is the baby pink with silver zari का beautiful साड़ी, 16,800. फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. एंड आई एम शोइंग दिस काजीरंगा इन प्योर मुगा. वेलकम नहीं भी करोगे तब भी आऊंगी मैं, मेरा अपना घर समझ के आ रही हूँ. नंबर 1 प्योर मुगा सिल्क्स दिखा रही हूँ टू रैप अप टुडे सेशन. आज तो बहुत देर आप लोग का ले लिया मैंने. थैंक यू फॉर द आग रिएक्शन. कैसे मिलता है? मेरे को तो नहीं मिलता है. मैं किसी के लाइव देखती हूँ तो मेरे को तो ये आग वाला रिएक्शन नहीं मिलता. मेरे को लव लाइक उतने ही मिलता है. हंसी वाला रिएक्शन, वाह फिर से आ रहा है आग. तो दिस इज मुगा नंबर 2 इन द अलंकार डिजाइन. अलंकार मतलब ज्वेलरी. अलंकार डिजाइन मुगा नंबर 2. मुगा नंबर 3 आई विल कम टू दिल्ली रचना मैम. दिल्ली आना ही नहीं होता है एक्चुअली, दिल्ली आना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली ना. दिस इज मुगा नंबर 3. वेरी कलरफुल, वेरी वेरी रामधेनु वाला मुगा. एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल मुगा. With zari and red thread work. Konika ka story, when I was staying in Kolkata, she used to come there and uske aate hi meri chandi hi chandi, because from making tea to doing everything, poor girl, she always cooks for me because she felt very sad that I was staying alone. उनको बहुत बुरा लगता था. वो बेचारी मेरे लिए क्या करी बनाएगी, चिकन करी बनाएगी, अंडा करी बनाएगी, ये बनाएगी, चाय बनाएगी, 10 बार चाय बनाएगी मेरे लिए. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी बिजी इन माय ऑफिस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई यूज्ड टू कम होम टू सच गुड अरोमा ऑफ फूड. तो ढेर सारा मस्ती किया है हमने. तो वेरी वेरी राइट. सो दिस इज द मुगा. फोर्थ मुगा नंबर 4. तो आप लोग बताइए 1 2 3 4 या सारे. और मुगाज में एयरलूम साड़ीज है, पर्सनल कलेक्शन है बहुत ज्यादा. तो प्राइस इज ऑन रिक्वेस्ट. मैं सिर्फ आपको रेंज बता दूंगी कि दिस इज लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस का रेंज इज फ्रॉम, दिस रेंजेस फ्रॉम 55,000 to 65,000. 10,000 का अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट के अंदर 10,000 का रेंज में मैं बता दूंगी आपको, सो दैट द रीसेलर्स आल्सो, उन लोगों को भी कंफ्यूजन हो कि एग्जैक्ट प्राइस क्या है, मेरे को जानना है, ऐसे टाइप्स. सो थोड़ा बहुत उन लोगों के साथ खेलते हैं. सो मुगा नंबर 4 इज बिटवीन 55 and 65,000 रुपीज. अभी आप पूछोगे कि मुगा नंबर 3 क्यों इतना. यस आई नो राइट. मुगा नंबर 3 इज कॉस्टलियर देन द जरी वाला मुगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज इसमें जो काम है, मैं आपको विथ एग्जाम्पल दिखाऊंगी. 1 मिनट. इसमें जो वीविंग है, दिस इज डन विथ अ जैकेट कार्ड, डिजाइन जैकेट कार्ड. ठीक है. This is continuous weaving. Okay, because if I don't know if you can see, but this is also woven. These golden chevron lines also zari वाला weaving है. Okay, and इसके ऊपर से मोटिव का एक एक मोटिव वीव हो रहा है. Okay, but so that's the catch about handloom. ये सब मेरे को समझाना मेरा कर्तव्य है आप सबको. आप लोग खरीदो नहीं खरीदो, इट्स रिगार्डलेस, लेकिन ये सब समझाना मेरा ड्यूटी है. लेकिन आप अब इसमें देखिए, इसमें कंटिन्यूस वीविंग कुछ भी नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज डन विद एक्स्ट्रा वेफ्ट मेथड. एक एक बूटा में 3-4 कलर्स हैं. येलो, ऑरेंज, ग्रीन, ब्लू. साड़ी माकू डिजाइन है ये. साड़ी माकू मतलब एक बूटा का वीविंग 4 बार होता है. 4 टाइम्स. ऑरेंज, ब्लू, येलो. किसी किसी में आप देखोगे 4 कलर्स है, ब्लू, ग्रीन, ऑरेंज, रेड, है ना. तो साड़ी माकू डिजाइन है, कुछ कुछ टीनी माकू डिजाइन है. तो इसी के लिए इसका टाइम, ये ज्यादा लेबर इंटेंसिव है. इसमें ज्यादा स्किल चाहिए, इसमें ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए, इसमें ज्यादा धागा चाहिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा है. एंड इसको जो बनाने वाला इसको बना सकता है, लेकिन इसको बनाने वाला शायद इसको उतनी बारीकी से, उतनी परफेक्शन से ना बना पाए. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉस्टलियर. दिस इज रेंजिंग बिटवीन 65,000 and 75,000. सो दिस इज साड़ी नंबर 3. मैं बस प्राइस डिफरेंस आपको बता रही थी. ओके, दिस इज मुगा नंबर 2 इन द ज्वेलरी डिजाइन, अलंकार कलेक्शन. And this is Muga number 1. Our good old Kaziranga. This is how it look. This is how it will look. Isn't it pretty? ये बहुत सुंदर है. काजीरंगा होने से क्या हुआ? बहुत सुंदर है ये. काजीरंगा में देखे ना पूरा रेजिंग राइनो टाइप लाल लाल आँखें. ओके, सो दिस इज, आज मैं बहुत मस्ती मूड में हूँ, बहुत सारी बातें की. सो दिस इज द काजीरंगा मुगा नंबर 1. मैं जब सब खोल ही रही हूँ, आप लोग को खोल खोल के एक बार दिखा देती हूँ. आप लोग मेरे से बाद में फोटो मांग लीजिएगा इफ यू नीड. दिस इज द अलंकार डिजाइन नंबर 2. This is ranging between 45,000 and 55,000. मैं सिर्फ रेंज बता रही हूँ, नॉट नेसेसरी दैट इट इज 55. मुगा नंबर 3. एकदम जीरो स्टार्च का है. मुगा नंबर 3 सुपर डुपर कलरफुल है. देखा कितना सुंदर है ये मुगा 3. एंड दिस इज द, क्या बोलते हैं, पल्लू. हिंखाप, ट्रेडिशनल हिंखाप बूटास के साथ. दिस इज मुगा नंबर 3. Just take a screenshot and connect with me. I will explain the EMI system of payment and everything and make it the most feasible purchase for you. लोग हमसे कितना मुगा खरीदते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग इजी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पे देते हैं आराम से. This was मुगा नंबर 1. 1 2 3 4 दिखाते हो आपको. This beautiful zari वाला मुगा is really gorgeous. ये रहा ब्लाउज पीस, देख लीजिए. This is your blouse piece. This is also zero zari. Specially processed होता है इसका yarn. तो zero starch होता है. Not zero zari, sorry, zero starch. These are the borders. बहुत ही gorgeous है ये. बहुत ही gorgeous है. This is the pallu with the original classic hinkap motif. And the body has these mukutmoni motifs in golden zari with red meenakari. This is one of the prettiest mugas we've made in recent times. And this is price range इसका जो मैंने बताया है 55 and 65,000 के बीच में. इस 10,000 रेंज में it can be 55 also, it can be 65, it will not be 65, it can be 63 also, it can be 60 also. So आप लोग को मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट देना होगा अगर कोई स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहता है. एंड यू कैन पे इट इन अप टू 6 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. तो आराम से आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. So here we come to, and with this sari we come to an end of today's live session. आज बहुत लंबा चला है लाइव सेशन. 2 hours 5 minutes to go for it to be 2 hours. So I am really grateful. आज आपके फ्राइडे में आपके कितने सारे प्लान्स होंगे. Many of you must be so dead tired from office, coming from office, and still you gave us 2 hours. 2 hours मतलब 120 minutes of your life only on one day. So it means a very big, it is a very big deal for us, and it means a lot for us. Thank you so much for watching us live for 2 hours straight. And to the ones who were watching us on Facebook before this, when we were showing curtains, thank you so much for watching us, and we hope you liked our collection. Today was Pinky's Paradise collection mostly. And yes, salmon pink to nude pink to baby pink, we have shown all pinks. In case you like something, we're already I think we are with orders, so you need to be really quick in submitting your orders to us, in giving us your screenshots so that we can book the sari for you. Don't worry about installments. आप सिर्फ मेरे साथ बातें कीजिए, कॉन्वर्सेशन को हम लोग फॉरवर्ड लेकर जाएंगे. Conversation के in due course of conversation, we will fix a feasible amount of money which is feasible for you. It doesn't burn a hole in your pockets at once, and it is feasible for us also. So quickly बस यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग जब बोलते हैं कि मैं इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में दूंगी, ये मेरा इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान है, जस्ट स्टिक टू इट. और इन केस यू कैन नॉट, आप लोग मुझे बता दीजिएगा एटलीस्ट फोन करके, प्रायर इंटीमेशन देके कि इस बार नहीं होगा. थैंक यू अमृता मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंगली मेरा भी जो आप लोग EMI देते हो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, जो आप लोग मुझे EMI देते हो वो मेरा भी चक्र चलता है ना. माई ऑल्सो सर्कल हैज टू मूव ऑन. तो मेरे चक्र में मैं आई स्टम्बल एंड फॉल. So for me not to stumble and fall and to be able to give you the best of Assam weaves and weaves of Northeast, please enable me to stand and enable me to keep the cycle going. Although मेरे को cycle चलाना नहीं आता, it's a shame. So I have to keep on riding the cycle for you to be able to get all these weaves at the best prices and the best quality. So please do not disable me in that. Rest बाकी आप जो भी चाहो, जैसे भी चाहो, इंस्टॉलमेंट सिस्टम फिक्स करके, बस रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि प्लीज स्टिक टू इट, और कुछ नहीं. Thank you so much for watching us live. You have a great weekend. We will be off live sessions because we are concentrating on production these days. So we'll be off these live sessions for about 2-3 days, and we'll be back soon. Till then, take care of yourself, be healthy, be happy, and spread happiness as much as you can. Thank you so much. शुभरात्रि. आप सबका बहुत आभार. আপনারা সকলকে पूजा बरुआ, पूजा बाय जयश्री प्रा मैं धन्यवाद जनालू. आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद पूरे पूजा बाय जयश्री टीम के ओर से. टीम में है हमारी जो डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर है, उसका नाम है रोमिला. वो है जयश्री बरुआ जो मम्मी है, फाउंडर ऑफ पूजा बाय जयश्री. मम्मी है. मेरे डैड हैं जो हमारा टेलर से आना जाना टू एंड फ्रो, बेचारे पूरे दिन. मैं सडनली कुछ सेल होता तो मैं बोलती हूँ ये इसका फॉल्स को करवा के लाओ, अर्जेंट है. तो ही इज अ टीम मेंबर. हिज नेम इज पद्मा बरुआ. His name is Padma Borua, Mr. Padma Borua. He is a team member. And here is Gayatri Borua urf Pooja, who is the face of the brand at the moment. Alright then, thank you so much for watching us live tonight. Good night, शुभ रात्रि. आप सबको फिर से अक्षय तृतीया की शुभ कामनाएं हमारी तरफ से. नमस्कार.